21A Pine Terrace. Lots of features, let's get inside.
To start with, it's nice and open off of the kitchen. It's got quality appliances, a nice spacious pantry.
The master's of a good size, another air conditioner, ensuite, walk-in robe, carpeted through all the bedrooms and in the
Media room and or multi-purpose room.
And look at the size of this living area off the kitchen. Recess for your hi-fi, foxtel, which flows all the way out to your entertaining.
A reasonable size alfresco area that looks out over the backyard.
Fully fenced with possible side access here.
And full side access on this side that leads through to your shed.
Your water tank, and don't forget the solar. 2-car lock-up garage extra wide.
With the electric door and extra storage.
Walk to water, shops, transport, schools, childcare, parks.
Close to all amenities.
This home appeals to all sectors of the market and is below the stamp duty threshold for first home buyers. So if you're looking to downsize, retire, your first home with all these features, who are they going to call?
Oh well, they're going to call us, aren't they?
And you're not included in the sale, are you?